Man, it feels good to be back here. I just got hit by a toad, but he missed it. Like a toad. Oh, he got it. That's what I'm talking about. Fish on. It's a good one. Get up here. That's what I'm talking about. It's a good fish right there. Kyle, you want to hold it? Yeah, you don't know what this feels like. You can hold it.
You got leeches on it?
No.
On his belly? That's what Ryan said, all over. Like right here.
Starting to get fatter.
Yeah, that's good.
Go for the release. Look at that, Kyle. There's a fish swimming away right there. Cast your thing right out here to where these things are. No, where those ripples were. They're up shallow. He's over there being all jealous. No, he got on a wacky worm. It's a good fish. Nice.
First one of the day.
6 out of 10 on the landing. Kyle got another one. Another one. You catch it with DJ Khaled? Did you get him on this little guy?
Should be.
Sweet. Toad. Probably what, 3-4 pounds you think?
Oh yeah. Close to it. Slammed it.
Absolutely slammed it. Go watch the first video for that.
Absolutely slammed it. Absolutely slammed it. See how I kind of did my own slow-mo there?
Alright, update. We're done with the first part of our day. We're going out to B-Dubs for dinner. And we'll be back. Catch more fish, right, Kyle?
What up?
See you soon. Alright, here's the deal. Me and Kyle, we decided to do a little Walmart challenge. Each picked 3 lures. Total had to be under $15, and we had to pick 1 topwater, 1 hard bait, and 1 soft plastic. And so I picked the baby flukes, small spinner bait, and a pop-R. Kyle, what'd you get?
I got as my top water, I got the torpedo. I got little ribbit frogs and the justice jig.
Sweet. Alright, so we're pretty much just going to fish till dark. We'll see how it goes. Alright. You ready?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Start time 6:17. We'll see when we're done. See how long it takes us to catch 3 fish. So the rules are whoever can get this done first, whoever can catch 1 fish on each lure first is the winner. And if somehow we do it at the same time, then the biggest fish out of the whoever's last fish is the biggest, that guy wins. Wish me luck. Oh no! He hit it right at the bank here. That sounds like rain. Intermission number 2 is over. That one was a little bit longer, and it sucked. Hopefully we don't die. There we go. Caught him on the popper. Little guy, but it's a fish for me, and it's not a fish for Kyle. So good thing we don't have a minimum size on these boys. See ya, man.